Emma and Shane here, and welcome back to our channel, Gotta Go Orlando. In this video we'll be taking a look at the Orange County's Convention Centre's boat show for this weekend. So stick around, because in this video we'll be giving you all the information you need to know before you go.
The Orlando Boat Show is running from today the 17th of March until the 19th. The location for the Orlando Boat Show is the Orange County Convention Centre in West Hall C&D.
The highly anticipated show features 21 of Central Florida's top boat dealers, representing more than 80 manufacturers with approximately 400 boats on display. The Orlando Boat Show features a wide variety of new 2023 model boats, including the Bow Rider, Central Console, deck boats, flat boats, freshwater fishing boats, jet boats and pontoons to fit any lifestyle and budget. Also, extra incentives are available only during the show from dealers and manufacturers, such as extended warranty, service packages, waived docking, enhanced electronics and accessory packages.
Boating is extremely popular in Central Florida, with 2.4 million Central Floridians who enjoy boating each year, and with 198,594 registered boats in Central Florida. You can see why the Orlando Boat Show is a very popular event. Now for the prices of tickets. The tickets are $10 per person and are available to purchase online or at the gate. Kids under the age of 12 are free. There is a charge to park your vehicle, and that is $20.
Whilst at the show, why not check out Twiggy the water skiing squirrel? Join Twiggy and her team for a family-friendly, fun-filled interactive show. Learn about water safety, water skiing and what wild things Twiggy gets up to in her lagoon. This show is full of laughs, surprises and even features a special guest, Roxy the dog, as Twiggy's trusty lifeguard.
At the Orlando Boat Show there's even more fun to be had. Kids 12 and under can catch live fish at the trout pond. Plus everyone, there's so much to see and do at the Orlando Boat Show, including the fishing zone. And this is devoted to all types of fishing gear, including freshwater, saltwater rods and reels. Plus clothing for a great day out on the water. Now on to the Queen of the Show. The Queen of the Show is a 2023 HCB 53 Swing Yacht. This is a large centre console yacht with a sophisticated design to perfectly balance speed, ride and comfort. All a luxury yacht needs.
So if you want any more information about this amazing boat show here in Orlando, please head to our article on our website, gottagoorlando.com.
So everyone, thank you so much for watching. We hope you have an amazing weekend and can make it here to the Orlando Boat Show. Please come and check it out. The tickets are only $10. You can purchase them at the gate for a great day out. So everyone, all I can say now is TikTok, gotta go Orlando. Thank you so much for watching.